Hi Rocker friends, it's Kelly from the Otter Room, and today I thought I would share with you some animals on the family farm. Here you have our cows, Cayenne and Peppa. Cayenne is the red and white one. Peppa is the black and white one. Do you see them flicking their tails? That helps them keep the flies away. Look, there's Abby. She's coming out of the barn. Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby. Just looking around. Look how big she is. If you keep looking, there's another horse right behind her named Sis. There they go. There goes Abby. If we look back, there's Sis peeking her head out. Hi, Sis. She's inside staying cool. I wonder if she'll come out and play with us. Way over there, that's Emily the horse, and she's eating hay. Yeah, did you see her pick up her head? Hi, Emily. There's Abby. The horses flick their tails too to keep the flies away. There's Sis. She came out of the barn. Good job, Sis. Where's she gonna go? Do you see her looking at us? Here come the cows. Look at Peppa walking. But Cayenne is staying in the shade. Did you see Emily get all of that hay? Wow. Horses eat hay, and they eat grass. Look at them eat grass too. We learned a lot of things today on the farm. We learned that they eat hay and grass, and that the animals flick their tails to keep the flies away. Wow. Peppa's gonna eat the hay too. Or maybe not. Thanks for visiting my family's farm.